Hello everyone. Do you know why the poached shrimp at restaurants taste so good? It turns out that simply boiling shrimp in water is actually a mistake. Shrimp boiled in water turns out tough and loses all its fresh flavor. Today, I'll teach you the correct way to make it, and it'll taste even better than what you get at restaurants. Today I spent 20 yuan to buy a pound of large shrimp, which is pretty expensive. How much does a pound cost where you are? First, add clean water to the shrimp. Then add a spoonful of salt. Soak them for 10 minutes to let the shrimp spit out any dirt from their mouths. After soaking, let's prepare the shrimp. The sharp spike on the shrimp's head is very dangerous, so use scissors to cut it off. Next, cut off the shrimp legs and the shrimp's blood vein. Next, hold the shrimp's head with one hand and the tail with the other. Gently squeeze near the head, and you'll easily push out the shrimp's digestive tract. The digestive tract is very dirty and should not be eaten. Then, gently pull it out. This way, you also remove the shrimp vein, and the shrimp is now cleaned and ready to eat, making it safe and hygienic. For those who didn't see clearly, let me demonstrate again with a large shrimp. Cut off the shrimp legs, whiskers and rostrum. Squeeze out the dirt from the shrimp's head. Pull out the shrimp vein. Add the cleaned shrimp to fresh water again. Wash them thoroughly. After washing, take them out and drain the water. Set them aside for later use. Next, prepare 20 grams of fresh ginger and slice it. After slicing, place them on a plate for later use. Prepare 4 cloves of garlic and slice them. After slicing, put them together with the ginger. Prepare a handful of scallions and cut them into long sections. After cutting, place them on a plate. Next, prepare half an onion and slice it into thin strips. After slicing, use your hands to separate the onion strips. Then place them on a plate for later use. Prepare a clean pot and arrange the ginger slices on the bottom. Next, add the garlic slices. Add the onion strips. Then evenly spread the scallion sections on top. Pour in the prawns that have been drained of water. Arrange the prawns so they lay flat. Then add half a spoon of cooking wine to remove any fishy smell. Add a little high-proof white liquor to remove the kerosene smell from the prawns. Then cover with a lid and simmer on low heat for 6 minutes. Don't cook for too long, or the prawn meat won't be tender. Next, prepare a few cloves of garlic and crush them. Then chop them into minced garlic. After chopping, put them into a small bowl. Prepare a few small chili peppers and slice them into rings. After slicing, put them together with the minced garlic. Then prepare a few stalks of scallions and chop them into scallion rings. After chopping, put them into the bowl. Add a spoonful of white sesame seeds, a little bit of ground Sichuan peppercorn. Then pour hot oil over it to bring out the aroma of the ingredients. Start seasoning by adding a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of chicken bouillon. Add a little sugar to enhance the flavor. Add a bit of oyster sauce. 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce. 1 spoonful of aromatic vinegar, then use a spoon to mix everything thoroughly. Wow, this sauce smells amazing. Time's up, open the lid, and our shrimp are cooked. During the simmering process, the scallions and ginger will release their juices. Shrimp cooked in the scallion and ginger juice turns out incredibly fresh, fragrant, and tender. Let's take the prawns out and plate them. Making prawns this way without adding a single drop of water results in shrimp that are firm, springy, and not at all fishy or tough. They taste especially fresh and delicious. None of the prawn's nutrition or flavor is lost. When you dip them in this all-purpose sauce, it's just incredibly satisfying. It's appetizing and really satisfies your cravings. If my video has been helpful to you, please do me a favor and give it a like and share it with others. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.